Hey, curious minds and cheese lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll talk about cheese. Yay! Let's be honest, folks. Cheese is the edible equivalent of a warm hug on a cold day. It's that comforting, versatile delight that can elevate any meal or moment. It's there for you after a breakup, celebrates your victories, and is the perfect companion for a quiet night in or a festive gathering with friends. It makes even the saddest salad feel like a party, transforming mundane greens into a culinary celebration. I once saw a block of cheddar single-handedly stop a kitchen fire. Okay, maybe not, but you get the idea. Cheese is amazing. Its versatility knows no bounds. But have you ever stopped mid-bite of a gooey grilled cheese and wondered, how did this cheesy goodness come to be? What ancient alchemy transformed simple milk into this delectable treat? Fear not, cheese enthusiasts, for I am here to guide you through the magical, sometimes stinky journey of cheesemaking. From the farm to your table, every step is a testament to human ingenuity and passion. We'll unravel the mystery of transforming humble milk into a symphony of flavors, from the smooth and creamy to the sharp and tangy. Each type of cheese has its own unique story and character. So buckle up, Buttercup, and get ready for a crash course in the wonderful world of cheese. Whether you're a casual snacker or a die-hard cheese aficionado, there's always something new to discover and savor in this rich, flavorful universe. Every cheese, no matter how fancy or funky, starts with one basic ingredient: milk. Cow's milk is the usual suspect, but goat, sheep, and even buffalo milk get in on the action. Think of it like the lead actor in our cheesy drama. This milk is gently warmed up in a big vat, like a relaxing jacuzzi for future cheese. No bubble bath though, just pure, wholesome goodness. Don't worry, we'll add the excitement in the next step. Now for the magic touch. Remember that warm milk we left chilling in the vat? Time to introduce some special starter cultures, the tiny chefs of the cheese world. These microscopic helpers work their magic, transforming the milk into curds and whey. You know the nursery rhyme, right? Well, this is where it gets real. The curds, our cheese heroes, are the solid bits, while the whey, a watery byproduct, takes a back seat, though it's quite useful in its own right. Think of it as the cheese's coming-of-age party, a little messy but oh so necessary. Section 4. Shaping up, pressing and molding the cheese personality. We've got curds, glorious curds. These little nuggets of dairy delight are the building blocks of our cheese. Now let's give them some character. This is where the magic truly begins. The curds are scooped, drained, and sometimes even stirred, depending on the cheese's desired personality. Each step is crucial in defining the final texture and flavor. Some like it rough and crumbly, looking at you, feta. This cheese is perfect for salads and adds a delightful tang, while others prefer a smooth, refined demeanor. Hello there, Brie. This creamy delight is perfect for spreading on crackers. Next, the curds are carefully pressed into molds like tiny cheese apartments. This step is essential for shaping the cheese and removing excess moisture. These molds can be round, square, or even shaped like animals, because why not have a little fun with your food? The shape can also influence the aging process and final appearance. The pressure helps squeeze out any remaining whey and gives the cheese its final form. This process ensures the cheese has the right consistency and texture, ready for aging or immediate enjoyment. Section 5. Aging gracefully. Time for transformation. Patience, my cheese-loving comrades, patience. This is where things get really interesting. The cheese, all snug in its mold, is sent off to a special cheese spa, a temperature and humidity-controlled room where it can mature and develop its unique flavor profile. Think of it as cheese college. Some cheeses breeze through in a matter of weeks, while others take their sweet time, aging for months or even years. During this time, special molds and bacteria work their magic, adding complexity and depth to the cheese's flavor. Section 6. Cheese, glorious cheese, the final curtain call. And there you have it, the grand finale. The culmination of a journey that began with fresh milk and ended with a symphony of flavors. After weeks, months, or even years of pampering, the cheese is finally ready to meet its adoring public. Each wheel, block, and wedge has been carefully nurtured to perfection. It emerges from its aging chamber, a masterpiece of flavor and texture, ready to tantalize your taste buds. The aging process has transformed it into something truly special. So next time you slice into a block of cheddar, think about the craftsmanship and dedication that went into creating that perfect piece. Or savor a creamy brie, with its rich, buttery texture that melts in your mouth, a testament to the art of cheesemaking. Take a moment to appreciate the journey it took to get to your plate. From the farm to the table, each step is a labor of love. It's a testament to the magic of nature, the skill of cheesemakers, and the simple joy of good food. The dedication and passion of those who craft these cheeses are evident in every bite. And remember, life is too short to say no to cheese. So go ahead, indulge in the rich, diverse world of cheese, and let each bite be a celebration of flavor and tradition. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.